What's going on, guys? So I've been having this rattling in my truck for some time now, and I noticed that it's been under the steering wheel piece. So I was trying to figure it out. I got under there trying to see what it was. Started tapping on this, and I was tapping on this piece, and I could hear the rattle. So I was like, man, what the hell is that? So over here, I decided to remove this piece. I got my food well lighting and a toggle switch in there. It's just held by those. You see those two little pieces here. There's two. What is it? I don't know what size it is. T15. There's two 15 bolts holding it in place, and then the rest is clips, and it just pops off. And this is what's constantly in my rattle. This screw is really loose. As you guys can see, I'm turning it with my fingers, and this one as well. You guys can see the red on it turning. Really loose. This one really loose. This was rattling big time. So I'm gonna tighten those up. Oh, this one as well. Look at that. This one's tight. I'm gonna tighten those up. Hopefully I don't have any more rattle. Why did they come loose? I don't know. But if you guys are having the rattling sound, then you guys might want to check that out. I'm pretty sure that's the cause of mine. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that, and we'll see you guys in another video.